Hello and welcome to our channel WoodTurning. Today we will make hybrid goblet using a wood sample. So this is the wood sample which we have. To start with the process, we first do the roughing part where we set up the sample on machine and remove the unwanted layer of wood using the spindle gauge and we'll give it a round shape. Now as you can see that the wood has been set up on machine, now we start with the roughing process. During this process, we have to be careful because those wood particles can go into our eyes and can cause a damage. Now we will give the base part a little shape so that the machine can hold it in the next process. Now we set up the machine for the next process, which is the hollowing process. Hollowing is a process in which we hollow out the inner part of the wood to give it the required shape. Now we put a little LED light inside the hollow part so that we can have a proper view from within. Next, we give it a fine shape from inside and we apply wood shining coat on it from inside. Next we mark the size for the upper part of the goblet using a pencil. Now we start with the thinning process where we reduce the wood to the thin shape. We have to perform this process very carefully because a little mistake can cause the damage to our wood sample. Next we put the tissue on the part of machine which holds the wood from inside so that the wood don't break from inside. Now we will apply wood shining coat on the upper part as the upper part is ready. Next we dispatch the upper part from the wood sample. As the upper part is dispatched, we drill a hole into the remaining wood sample. From the remaining wood sample, we will make the base part of the goblet. Next, we apply wood shining coat on the base part. As the base part is ready and we cut it from the wood sample. Now to make the middle part or a stem of the goblet, we take one more wood sample which is long in length. First we drill a hole in it. Next we start by giving the stem a round shape and move on to give it the required shape using different spindle gauge. Now we apply the wood shining coat on it. Now as the stem is ready, we dispatch it from the remaining sample. Next we check that all parts of goblet are fitting perfectly or not. As you can see that there is a little damage on our base sample, we will fill that damaged part. Now, as you can see, the damaged part is filled properly. We again apply the wood shining coat on the base part. Next, we attach all the part using a strong glue. And now our goblet is ready. Wow, we really made the best goblet out of the wood sample. I hope you all loved our today's video on hybrid goblet. Please give it a like, and for more new videos from our channel WoodTurning, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you all don't miss out any of our new video. See you all soon till the next time.